This faceless AI channel makes $28,000 a month posting finance advice. Now, I personally made over $300,000 posting these types of videos. So in this tutorial, I just want to show you exactly how I'd start this type of channel step by step. And of course, to make things easier for you, I built this entire Notion template with all of the prompts that you can copy and paste to save you time and money. Now, just keep in mind that results are not guaranteed in any business, including this one. I'm just showing you what works for me and other people, which doesn't mean you will do the same. I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, let's actually begin with a channel breakdown. The channel in question is Nick Invests, and this guy is a beast. Like, he's been posting videos for about 2 months now, so he started around 60 days ago, and he uploads every single day. Videos are over 20 minutes long, which is perfect because not only is he in one of the highest RPM niches, but he also makes long videos so he can put more ads. Therefore, he can make more money. Also, in a second, I'm going to show you exactly how to make those sort of animations for free with AI, so don't be scared if you see this and think, oh, that might be incredibly hard. This guy wouldn't be posting every single day if it was too hard to make these sort of videos. Step number 1, as always, I got your back. So you're going to open up this Notion template, which I'm going to link in the description for free. You're going to open this very first prompt. You can literally just copy that with one press of a button, go over to ChatGPT, and just paste that prompt so you can get some YouTube channel name ideas. So his channel name is Nick Invests. So I would call my channel Dave Invests, but you can choose something else. You can also just use some random names, or you can use your own name as well. Step number 2, this is a more important part where you're going to create a character. So you're going to open up this tool called Google Gemini. This is completely free. Just click on create an image, then go back here, copy this prompt, and you're just going to need to change variables in the brackets that are highlighted in red. So in this case, you literally just have to describe what your character is going to be, but also make sure you download this image, which is their profile picture, as reference, so that Google Gemini creates something similar for you as well. So for example, I've described my character as a young guy with dark hair in a black suit. Sounds familiar. And then I got this result. Step number 3, now we need some unique video ideas. So instead of just stealing exactly what these guys talk about, taking their titles and then just making our own versions of that, which isn't really going to work very well, we're literally just going to grab this prompt that I've created for you, download this screenshot, which is a screenshot of their YouTube channel, as reference, then upload that screenshot to ChatGPT and paste in the prompt alongside with that. Now ChatGPT will analyze this whole thing and it will give you 20 unique video ideas. By the way, guys, I recently gave away $1,000 to 3 viewers of this YouTube channel inside of my school community, so keep watching this video to learn exactly how you can participate in the next giveaways as well. Anyways, let's talk about step number 4, which is to write very long, unique YouTube scripts. So what I've done is I went over to their YouTube channel and then I took all of their videos and I put them in some very expensive AI tool that dissects all of their content and style of speaking. And then based on that, I've created this massive prompt so you don't have to analyze every video and then write the scripts yourself or spend any money. You can just go over here, you can open up Claude.ai, which is a completely free AI tool, and then you're just gonna paste in this prompt and then you're just gonna insert the video title in this box. You'll literally just go back here, you choose one of these video ideas. So let's go, why 80% of millionaires follow the widow's peak curve. Yeah, I'm gonna copy this sounds pretty interesting, and then I'm just gonna paste that inside of this box, and as I do, I submit it and then it writes the entire script for me. And a cool part about this is that scripts are almost the same length as what this guy has. Now, if the script is not too long, you can always just take one part, you can highlight it, and then you can just ask Claude to expand it to another 500 words, for example. So far, all of the stuff that we've done was technically free. Now, the next part is getting a voiceover done. If you want to do it for free, you can just record your own voice reading the script. There's also AI tools that I found that are a lot cheaper than what we used to use in the past, what was default. So one of the AI tools I found is Gen AI Pro. I've tested this myself and it's incredibly good compared to 11 Labs, which was again a default AI tool that everyone used to use. But this one is $99 a month for 500,000 credits. Like, if you want to upload every single day, then you need a plan like that. While if you go back to this AI tool, you can see that you get double that amount of credits, 1 million, for only $7. So instead of paying 100, you just pay 7, which is pretty cool. So this is the AI tool I found. Once inside, you just go to Labs, you select the voice on the right-hand side, let's say I want to go with this mysterious and deep voice, then I just need to go back to Claude to grab my script. Let's say I'm just gonna grab one line as an example, paste it here and click create voice and confirm, and that's it. Now I get the voiceover done. It takes about a minute for it to be generated here, and then once it's done, I can just download it with one press of a button. Now, in terms of creating this sort of animation, the way that they do on their YouTube channel as well, you can just go back to your chat with Google Gemini and you can just talk to it and tell it what you want changed, like how do you want this guy to behave. So in this case, I said like, now take that guy in a suit and make him throw cash into a silver box, and then it created that for me. Now, if I need him to do something else, I can just say, now make that guy drive a bike, for instance. And then I just go over to canva.com, I click on custom size, and then I select 1920 by 1080px, just simply so I can open up this image and then have it set up the way it works for YouTube. So this is essentially for YouTube. I click share, I click download as a PNG file. Now this is a static image, so I need to still animate this. And by the way, here's him riding a bike, same guy. And to animate these images, I literally just go over to Kling AI, and they have their AI video generator, image to video, so you just select video on the left hand side, and then all you literally have to do is drag and drop these images into the frame box, and then you just click generate, and then it animates them for you, then you can just download that to your computer. Next step for video editing, I just put everything in CapCut. They have their auto captions as well enabled there. So you can just click on text, click on auto captions, and they will generate them for you, and then you just need to add a voiceover in the background and change these visuals, which literally is going to take about 1 or 2 hours. I know it's a long process, but that's like if you don't want to outsource it to anyone else, like you don't want to hire a video editor. And again, that is something a channel that makes $28,000 a month does, and he does it every single day. That's the reason why he makes so much money. And then he also promotes different things and also asks people for donations. And now, as I promised, I'm going to tell you how you can participate in my next giveaways. You see, inside of my school community, I recently gave away $1,000 to this person, $1,000 to this person and this person. And the reason I'm giving them $1,000 over and over again is because of this thing that we call $1,000 games. So anyone that is inside of my community can complete different tasks to make $1,000. So once they complete those tasks, I give them $1,000, and there's 5 different tasks that you can complete every single month. So you can technically make up to $5,000 every single month by just being inside. Now, besides that, this entire community has over 60 hours of step-by-step video training, which took me over 2.5 years to build. And I also do live video coaching calls with you, so you can ask me questions and I will answer them for you. And more importantly, I will review your channel and help you get unstuck so you actually get views and make progress. And I mean, that's essentially how both of these people are making money. Like Doris made $1.3 thousand in 30 days by being inside of this community with her faceless channel. Ahmed just got his silver play button for passing 100,000 subscribers. Harrod is making $50,000 a month. Awan is making $21,000 a month. Dushan made a video about how he made $5,000 inside of this community. And as soon as you get into the community, you will unlock $1,000 in coupons and discounts instantly for all sorts of different AI tools and software that you need for a faceless YouTube channel. So I'm gonna link this community in the description box down below. And as I previously said, every business is risky and no results are guaranteed in any business, including this one, mainly because most people don't really do anything.